Hello there, today I wanna do a video how to fix the Cabrinha 2020 or 2022 bar. If the Depower mainline, the line inside the PU tube is broken. The bar is still in good condition. So first thing to do is to take out a broken Depower mainline. As it breaks, it snaps out from the tube already, so it's still connected only with the adjuster. It is a Dyneema line 2.8 millimeter. Also can use the UHMWPE line. This is the cheaper version of the Dyneema line. The 2.8 millimeter has a brake load of 600 kilograms. We need about 1.5 meter length. Then we need pliers, a 2.5 millimeter hexa key, scissor, a pen marker, and a ruler. And something to do the splice. I have this thing to open the threads to make the splice. So first remove this broken Depower mainline from the adjuster. There is it connected with the adjuster line. So we have to remove this adjuster line. Pull this out from the handle and then open the knot. And pull it out of the handle. Remove it from the clamp cleat and the splitter. And then open this connection. One, two. Take this out. Use a screwdriver. Pull this out or poke it from one side in, then it come out on the other side. Oh, a little bit stuck. And pull it out. This is a 3 millimeter Dyneema line. The original eye is about 2.5 centimeter. So I bend the new end about 10 centimeter from the end. I will mark the whole eye. Two and a half centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. Then I push it together and open the line. It should be half in the middle. One too much. This. This is not a splice needle. Also, you can use just a pen. Then put the end so doesn't get in. Go so now. So put this so. Here is the mark. Also open the line on this side. Yes, this should be half. And through this hole should push the long end. Now this eye is already locked. But we want this end inside the fiber. Now open the line again. One go in here. It should be long enough. Come out with the needle here. Put it together. So this end was not going through. I stopped to try to take a video. If I switch the camera off, I think it worked better. to cut it off also impossible. Oh no, it's a bit thinner. Put some film again around. So try this again. I guess it not going same. So try this again. Put the needle in. What is blocking? What is blocking this for coming out? So now it's coming. Now there is the eye, and at the end it should look like this. The inside is long. Until here. I will cut this here off. And then in the last 2 centimeters, must to take out some threads and make it thinner. And then straighten this. Oh, one side is done. So the original line is long. 62.5 centimeter, but it's double. So I bend my line also half. .5 centimeter, half, and there I bend it. I make it a little bit longer because this the eye splice will lose a few millimeters. So the line is long. straight 125 plus what we need for the splice, 10 centimeter on both ends, so it's 145 centimeter line we need, the room for the eye splice. So again I do the mark for the hole, it's 2.5 centimeter. Two point five, difficult to see the black pen. So again open the thread, but maybe first put some tape around the end. I don't have the real splice needle, so I have to do the tape around. Push this together, make the hole through the thread. This is not half. One more, huh? One more fiber. Not sure. Put this through until the second mark come out. Here also push it together. Open the thread near the mark. Try to have the same number of lines on both sides. I don't count it. If it has 12, it should be 6 on both sides. So this is more difficult because I have to put the thick one through this hole. I open more until this goes through here. Pull it tight. So it's locked already. Now I have the two ends. I check the length. How long is it? This ruler only 60 centimeters, not enough. Take this. Yeah, it's around 62, a little bit shorter already. 62. Is it okay or not? If not okay, make it longer a little bit. You have to move which hole, the hole on the short end, move back a little bit. I will do this. I'm afraid at the end it's too short. Take this out. Move this hole a little bit further to the end. Is it half? No. 5 on this side. Less. I feel like this knot has this 12 threads. Okay. Put these ends through. Now the hole is a little bit larger. Okay. Now again the difficult thing. Put the end into the center of the line. So this end, it already is, if cut like this, it will stick on every fiber for sure. How can I make it easier to go in? This always I have to not get smaller. I think this with the film is not the best idea here. Doesn't work. So let's hope this. It never go in. It come out now. Pull this out. So now need to cut the inside length, same the original one. It's about here is the end. So here, I cut this here. Try this scissor. Yeah. Dyneema is difficult to cut. So again, I have to make it thin at the end, take out fibers. Now it's getting thin at the end. We don't want to step inside. So I'll pull this straight. Now just need to pull it inside this PU tube. 10 chicken loop. So I need to push the fishing line from the button up. Put this in. Come out here. Pull out enough. Put it in again. Until it come out under again. So then I have the eye here, where I will put the new line halfway And this is the difficult part. This line have to go inside this small hole. I will take this new line and stretch it. It must be absolutely straight. It's not round, it's a kind of rectangular, so it should be lay perfect on each other. If there is any bend or what, it never go into this. So now there is it. The fishing line is pulled through. I made many knots at the end because the knots always slide off from the fishing line. The safety leash has to remove later because the end have to go around here of the Depower line. But first it has to pull through this. This is the new one. I stretched it so it's really straight. Pull one end through this fishing line hole. Pull it in here, clean. I try to hold this straight, and at the end I pull something around here that I can pull better. I pull and the other I try to keep it straight. Break the camera. So here it come out already. This eye has to go out and around here. And then, I don't know, I cannot put the whole chicken loop through this hole. So I have to remove the leash. I already did an extension to the leash because always it's too short if I do many back roll rotations. This part can take out, also again later difficult to in. So I clean this piece a little bit, pull the leash so, set it on the end of the PU, and still I have to pull it out more. The leash have to go through this eye, and then this has to go around here. I think this also it has to go around the other side here. Now let's see. I will take a screwdriver and pull this out here. Go around here. I will put some grease. I have here some grease. It's for bicycle, but it doesn't matter. So leash through, go around here, then slide the cap back like this, and the line has to go around this edge. So that's it, and then you have to pull it tight from the other side. Stay here. Is it tight already? Yeah, it's tight. Tight all around this. This is where it breaks. So then safety leash through this hole. Close this. A screw was there. I still have it, or is it gone? So this is done. Let's take a look at the top end. Go through the bar, and then we have this so this is the end from the adjuster. The leash is still going through. The new line has to go in here, come out on this. There's a kind of clamp cleat on this way. They have to come out first and go in again, come out through this hole connected to the adjuster line. This piece and put on the PU tube first, and then I put the fishing line again in. Go in here, through these two. Back in here.
come out. Yes. So the half tube has go with the safety leash and the other two lines under. Best is pull this together. Put this in here. This is not easy to take out. Now I work out these two lines here. The tube is up for the safety leash here. Now this still had to go here inside this kind of clamp clit and come out here on the top. It's very short, will be difficult. And this one even more short, huh? I will use the fishing line again. Now I pulled out the two ends with the eye splices through this clamp clit here. What can I use this tool again? Open the hole. This goes through. So here, this goes through this hole. Also difficult to close this here. Everything is difficult. Everything difficult. Now I have it. It's connected with the adjuster line. It's a little bit thicker here. Before I used 2.8 millimeter line, this time 3 millimeter. Last thing here, put this clip on. Do also very short. I should do a knot at the end. Okay. Finally,